its answer.
Okay, please answer my question.
Okay, your question is about why Allah take two angels in our right and left side. So he is powerful. Okay, we saw the video. People try to kill Khadija. Okay, everybody of Bangladesh, every person watched it. Okay, we know it very good.
Oh, he's Chhatra League, my party.
Yeah,
my party, but my party punishment him.
Okay. After everything, everybody knows why the magistrate, the judge, write the case. He can punish immediately, but he didn't do
so
it.
you compare Allah with judge. Judge is always person.
Allah is most powerful judge. But it's a proof. It's a document. You did it for this way, I will punish you. Okay?
Yes.
Or I will you will get something good or bad.
Yes.
So the right and left angel